How to input administrators and regular users. Press in the initial state and enter initial password 123456. Enter the settings menu. Select one to add users. Select one more option to add an administrator. Then voice operation. Enter in sequence fingerprints, passwords, cards. How to connect to a mobile app. Press and to input administrator, password 111111. Enter the settings menu. Select 3 system settings. Select 2 function settings. Select 1 networking settings. Open the Graffiti app. Select camera lock. Select Wi-Fi door lock. Connecting to 4G. Why don't connect to 5G Wi-Fi? The connection was successful in a few seconds. Someone outside rings the doorbell. Received on phone real time. Call reminder slide to unlock. How to initialize. Press and to input administrator, password 111111. Select 3 system settings. Select 3 to restore factory settings. Press the key to confirm. Open the battery back cover. Press and hold the setting button for 5 seconds. Prompt for successful initialization. The opening method of the mechanical keyway. Press down on the lower left corner of the keyhole, then slide to the right. Rotate to the upper right corner. Insert key to unlock.